What is going on, everybody? Welcome. My name is Scott Moran. This is the SamCart Quick Start Guide, where we're going to show you guys 3 steps to launch SamCart and start getting the best out of what it has for you in just a couple of minutes. I am Scott Moran, our co-founder. Of course, my brother Brian Moran, and here with us as always is Jordan P. Anderson, creative director. We are super excited to dive in and show you guys exactly what we have going on. But let's start here, Brian. People always ask that question: is why SamCart? What is it that led us to get here, and how did this all get started?
Yeah, so I won't give you guys the long version of the backstory, but I think it's important that you know as you set up your account that this was built by entrepreneurs, folks that are in your exact shoes. Whether you're selling digital products like courses or ebooks like we did when we first got started, or live events, coaching, masterminds, physical products, like we've sold all of those in the past. We built SamCart because we started all the way back in 2009 with a site called Train Baseball, and there was no e-commerce platform that was good at checkout. We lost tons of sales because of failed credit card payments, cart abandonment. We couldn't sell the products that we wanted, like subscriptions, like tons of problems that we had in the beginning. If you're just starting out and you're doing no sales or a couple $100 a month, all the way up to we've done tens of millions of dollars. And we need a platform that is powerful enough to recover lost sales, drive up conversion rate. And that's really what we have built in SamCart. If you look at SamCart today, you are in good company. There are 22,000 entrepreneurs like you running businesses across the globe that have done billions and billions of dollars in sales through our platform because it's the fastest, highest converting checkout on the planet. But before we get there, there's a couple things probably going through your mind. You're wondering, is this really going to work? Is it going to live up to all the hype? Is it going to out-convert what I'm currently using? Should I switch over from whatever platform you're on now? SamCart's pretty pricey, like this better work, or I don't know if I'm going to keep paying this. And you would be accurate in saying that. There's a reason why SamCart is one of the top tiers as far as pricing goes, because we know that it works. It's going to drive up your conversion rate, your average order value, make customers worth more. You're probably wondering, it's going to take forever to set up, and that's what this video is for. We're going to show you how to essentially get set up in 30 seconds, which Scott will cover here in a minute. But as far as whether or not it works, like we'll put our money where our mouth is. We will take on all the risk, and we do that through our conversion boost guarantee. If SamCart doesn't out-convert what you're currently using right now, if you don't make more money, either by getting more customers because we out-convert your current setup, or by making your customers worth more because we drive up things like average order value, which is how many things people buy during each purchase, and repeat purchases down the road, then you don't pay for it. And we'll put our money where our mouth is with this guarantee because we know that it works in every test that we've ever run.
And that's really where this comes in is I work a ton with our VIPs. And every time we test SamCart against whatever someone's coming from, SamCart wins. We convert more, we grow average order value, we grow lifetime value. You guys can actually scan the QR code that's on the screen right now. And I want to show you and let you just get your hands on the mobile experience, SamCart's latest technology, like an actual SamCart checkout, and just see what I mean. The moment you touch it, you're going to see exactly why this is true and why the risk is so low to you guys here and why we stand behind that guarantee. Because we just see it over and over again all day, every day, SamCart out converting and outselling other platforms. Scan that QR code, get that up, and just start messing around with it. Just move and touch and feel, and you just get a sense for exactly what your customers are going to get once you get this all set up and go through this training here today. And that's also why our clients have made billions of dollars. People like Tony Robbins, people like Ship 30 for 30, Jenna Kutcher is on this, AJ and Smart, Marie Forleo, Tiago Forte, Ashley Ann Jones. It's just, we could keep going. Our VIP list, every day we check in, there's new names and things showing up all the time. And that's why, is because SamCart wins. The risk is so low because we have seen this happen over and over again. So 3 steps in 3 minutes. This is what we want to do. Jordan, let's go ahead. We're going to dive in and just walk through how to actually do this. This is the part. Get your SamCart account up, open in a new tab, and let's start getting into this.
Let's set the stage. This is super simple. We're going to do this in 3 minutes. We're going to set up our product. So let's go over to samcart.com and build it. I feel like we need to put a timer down below because this is going to be lightning fast. So you're at samcart.com, you log in, and you see your beautiful dashboard. Maybe one day it'll look like this, where you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. The first thing that you want to go do is, once you're here, go to the top left, products, and then once you're in your product section, you're going to hit that big orange button that says new product. And then you're going to bring over your best-selling product. So there's no thought here. Add the name here, and then choose your pricing type. You can do a one-time payment. You can do a limited subscription, a recurring subscription, pay what you want. For this example, we're just going to keep things simple, one-time payment, and whatever the price of your old product is, add it here. For this example, we're just going to do $49 And Scott, what's the product that we're going to build here? It's a live fitness boot camp?
I made it a live fitness boot camp. Whatever your best-selling product is, again, just recreate your best-selling, whatever that might be, whether that's something you've sold once, whether it's something you sold 100 times, bring it in here. Just recreate it with us right now.
Once the product is made, let's add an image here just to make things look nice. Just for me, just for my design purposes.
I'm going to bring in just this nice photo we have. You guys can upload your own photos. You can use, we've got stock image and stuff for you. But I'm going to go ahead. All I did, name it, give it a price, and then I just picked an image really quick. That's it. The only thing we have left to do here is to go to the Checkout Anywhere tab. And all we're going to do is you'll see a couple different options. Click on Express. And Express is the simplest way for you to get started right here, right now. I'm going to copy this page's URL, open up in a new tab, and I'm literally just going to paste in the URL. That's it. Hit go. And this is what SamCart has made for me already, is a checkout experience. It's called Express. It is lightning fast. Highly encourage you guys, open this on your phone, like the QR code thing we had before. Open this on your phone because that is where the real magic of this goes. Let me show you this one little tag, this one little toggle I think that's really awesome is if I go back to the product and I click on the Payments tab, all I need to do is click Add Digital Wallets, allow digital wallets, which is Apple Pay, Google Pay, stored credit cards. It's a lot of really cool stuff. And I'm going to click Save Changes one more time. Now, when I go back to this page, we've got one-click digital wallets with Apple Pay. Literally, click Apple Pay, confirm on the side of your phone, done. No, you didn't even type in your name, your email address at that point. It's crazy, crazy cool. We've got Stripe Link. If we recognize their email, they can verify with a text on their phone, and then all of a sudden their credit card is saved on file.
Yeah, we've just made everything simple. Most checkout forms have billing address and shipping address, and we've just compressed everything. Make things faster for your customers. We always say grease the slides. Just take all the friction out of the process to the point where they barely have to type their email address, and it's already got their credit card on file, and all they have to do is hit pay.
And you can see that stored credit card thing is wild. Look at, I don't need to type in literally anything else. I am like off and running, and that is super, super cool. One of my other favorite ones is Afterpay and Klarna. Talk to us about the buy now, pay later options that are baked right in here.
This gives your customers the options to choose their payment plan. So if you're selling a high ticket item, selling something over $500, it's a little pricey, you're giving your customers the ability to say, hey, I want to split this up. And the nice part about this, instead of you having to worry about payment plans and collecting all that money, Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, they handle all the payments, and you get paid up front, and it's that easy.
So you can see right here, the page is done. This is ready to go. There is so many things that this can do that we could add on and tack on, and we'll talk about some of the stuff in a minute. But in terms of create a product, grab the URL to Express, and share it, and let SamCart start taking over the rest, that's it. Grab your URL, the one that you just made, the product you just made, and share it in the comments down below this video, or share it here on the page, whether you guys are in the webinar room with us. Share it. I would love to see you guys share that page. I want to see it, that you've made it, right? It took, again, we talked for most of that, but what was that? 2 minutes and 45 seconds, maybe just shy of 3 minutes, but take that Express link. We want to see it. Share it down in the comments. Checkout OS can do so much more than what we just showed you. We just showed you guys Express. It's one option, grab a URL and share it. Simple, done, one-click digital wallets, all that stuff. Built-in cart abandonment we didn't even talk about. Again, you can scan the QR code on the screen right now to see a fully baked Express that is super clean, super awesome. It's got payment options, got order bumps, got all kinds of cool stuff in there, but it doesn't stop there. You also, with SamCart's Checkout OS, you have the option to take that experience and embed it right onto your homepage, right onto a Notion page, right into your link in bio, right onto a sales page. You can embed this absolutely anywhere you want. And you can also now take that and turn it into this awesome animated slide out, which we are seeing wild, wild stuff with. Brian, give the people like a preview of what slide out checkout is doing for people.
Yeah, so just this one feature, a lot of you watching this video, you might have already seen this. We've seen 50 to 100% boost in conversion rate, which means if you have 100 visitors come into your normal checkout process and you normally get 5 sales, you could be seeing 10, 15, 20 sales instead of that 5, just by using something like slide out. This is why we've made SamCart incredibly flexible with the embed. You can put it anywhere you want and deploy it any way that you want.
So Jordan, what now? Someone has created the product. They've got the URL to Express. What do we do now?
Now the next step is to share it. So share it in your link in bio and your homepage. If you've got a custom sales page, put it on there. Put it in the button of your email. Put it in the link. Put it in your email signature, your blog, YouTube comments, YouTube description. Wherever you want to make sales, that's where you can share it.
And if you guys, I should say when you guys go and get your first sale on the product you just made, we've got an awesome free gift we're going to get. We'll tell you guys in just a little bit, but we've got a $288 free gift we want to get to anyone who goes and gets that first sale. So take that URL, share it anywhere your audience is hanging out.
So guys, look, we mentioned we have the conversion boost guarantee, and these are the reasons why we stand behind that, because we know it's going to convert. There are dozens of other tests and case studies you can find on our blog, on our YouTube channel, on social media. Here's a perfect example. Sean Fargo was over on SamCart for a while, and he was relatively happy over there, and then things got a little bit buggy, and he wanted to come back and give SamCart a shot. We helped him set this up, our VIP team. He used the new slide out embed widget, and he's making 82% more sales than he was over on SamCart. We have another company that was over on Kajabi. They moved over, same exact thing. They're making 3 times more sales because of conversion rate and lifetime order increases using SamCart. And the beauty of a lot of these scenarios, like a Kajabi or a ClickFunnels or even a Shopify, is you don't have to leave those platforms. You can embed our checkout can go anywhere. So if you have a ClickFunnels landing page or a Shopify store, you can take our embed and put it on specific pages on sites that you already have and boost the sales on those platforms. And again, we wouldn't use SamCart if it didn't actually increase our sales. Obviously, we're a business just like you, and we need to have the highest converting checkout flow. So you can see the proof's in the pudding. You can go to our pricing page. This is probably how you got to this video. You probably went through the SamCart checkout process where we're using embed, and we're always testing different ways, whether it's slide out or embedded on the page or using Express. We're always testing what works, but you can see us using it out in the wild. Here's the kicker. The one point I want to drive home is SamCart doesn't just get you more customers. We talked about all the different ways that SamCart drives up your conversion rate, that takes 100 visitors and turns it into 10 sales instead of 5 or 2. Things like one-click checkout, stored credit cards, where SamCart really makes the big difference for your business, and you can start getting into 5, 10, 20 times the amount of revenue is by using features like order bumps, one-click upsells that drive up how much your customers are actually spending. That's really where a second huge bang comes in your sales, is we get your customers spending more. We take advantage of what we call as the expansion revenue gap that really separates top sellers from the rest. Plus, we get your customers to come back and spend more often through things like the subscription saver, the affiliate program, course cross sells. There's all these features on the back end that many of them work automatically for you behind the scenes to get your customers to continue to spend money with your business, driving up lifetime value. We run these reports all the time. You can see that some of our best sellers, just 2 years after using SamCart, their sales are 11 times higher than when they started. So to wrap this all up, we want to make a deal with you guys. Here's the deal. You go and make your first sale. You got your first page set up. Your first product is made. You have a URL. Hopefully you shared it down in the chat. If you didn't, do that now. Take that URL, put it in your link in bio, put it on your homepage, your sales page, your email newsletter, your blog, and get it in as many places as you can. And if you do that and make your first sale, we're going to give you a year of Creator U. This is normally $288. Creator U is a massive library that we have of over 100 of our best marketing and sales strategies. There's an AI bot in there that has prompts for building upsells and bumps and campaigns. There's step-by-step guides. We're going to give it to you completely free if you made your first sale. And the real reason that that's going to matter to you is after watching this video, you're probably bought into all the ways SamCart can boost your sales, conversions, average order value. There's a training inside Creator U called Checkout Hacks that essentially is all of the ways to make that happen. How to use order bumps strategically, the top converting strategies for decreasing cart abandonment, the exact email campaigns that we use to recover failed subscriptions, templates and scripts, copy-paste swipe files. Scott, Jordan, and I have remade this entire program, and it's going to have every single strategy that you need to get all of the benefits that SamCart delivers, and you'll get it completely free inside of Creator U. You and I probably both know your current setup isn't cutting it. Something about it brought you here. It's either not converting, or it's too slow, or you know you're just leaving money on the table by not capturing these things. So now is the time to take action. Take the 30 seconds, set up that first product, share the URL in the chat, and go paste it everywhere and make that first sale. And the truth is, even though SamCart might be more expensive than some of the other platforms out there, it's because we know it's going to pay for itself. You just get that new checkout process up and running, that one URL that's powered with all the tech that we know drives up sales. You don't do anything else that we talked about. SamCart pays for itself probably by the weekend. That's the truth. So get it set up, take action, see the power for yourself. And if you're incredibly lazy, like all three of us have been in the past, and this is just too much for you to handle, we have an easy button. We have a VIP team that you can find over at samcart.com/done for you. They will build out your entire checkout process for you for one flagship product. Take your top seller off Shopify, off Kajabi, off ConvertKit, off funnels, wherever it is that you're coming from, and they will set it up soup to nuts, do everything for you so that you can run the test by yourself and see the results.
Here's your to-do list. You guys went through, you saw the really quick demo, you made your product, you can share that URL, put it anywhere, and make that first sale. And when you guys do that, when you get that first sale, we are gifting you completely on the house $288 is Creator You for an entire year. All of that stuff, the new checkout hack stuff that's in there is absolutely to die for. The kind of thing, again, that's going to help pay for itself over and over and over again. Make your product, share that URL, make your first sale, and we cannot wait to see what you end up doing as we start tracking your marketplace with all those others that are multiplying their sales. So on behalf of Brian and Jordan and the entire team here at SamCart, super excited for you. Welcome to SamCart. Get in there, make it, share it, make that first sale, and we cannot wait to give you that free gift of Creator You for the year. Get after it, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.